Namaste students, I am JVN Dr. Rajesh Mohammed Khan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic effect of temperature and pH on enzyme activity. Temperature and pH show very important role in the activation and functioning of enzymes because enzymes need a particular kind of temperature at which they perform their best, and the rate of reaction increases at a particular temperature or pH. So as the study indicated that a increase in the temperature of 10 degree will rise will increase the activity of most enzyme by 50 to 100%. Means suppose that there is a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade. When we increase the temperature to 35 degrees centigrade, then the rate of enzyme, rate of velocity of enzyme will increase by 50 to 100%. It will increase, and variation in the reaction for 2 degrees centigrade, 3 degrees centigrade may also increase in the rate of the reaction to up to 10% 10% to 20%. So it is there is an increase in the temperature, there will be increase in the rate of the reaction. But at a certain point, suppose that above the temperature that the enzyme do get denatured, it will cause the denaturation of enzyme and the rate of reaction will decrease. So a temperature which is best temperature at which the enzymes show maximum reaction of velocity is known as the optimum temperature. Okay, so at this optimum temperature, enzymes have high number of V maximum. V maximum is high, so that is the optimum temperature. Similarly, in the case of pH, what is the effect of pH on the uh, enzyme? As the enzymes need a particular temperature, enzymes also need a particular pH for their activity. When we increase the pH, that is not required for the enzyme, is not suitable for the enzyme. Similarly, when we decrease the pH of, it will also not necessary for the enzymes, and the enzymes will not properly work, and the rate of reaction will decrease. So, and any kind of enzyme will need a particular pH at which it will show its best performance, and it will show its best V maximum and its best velocity. So there are different kinds of enzymes which we need different optimum pH. Optimum pH is a pH which is found to the best for the activity of the enzyme at which the enzymes show maximum rate of reaction. So, for example, the lipase needs 8 pH 8, lipase of stomach need pH of 4 to 5, lipase of castor oil needs pH of 4.7, pepsin need pH of 1.5 to 1.6, trypsin need a pH of 7.8 to 8.7, urease need a pH of 7, and invertase need a pH of 4.5, maltase need a pH of 6.1 to 6.8, amylase need a pH of 6.7 to 7.0, amylase of malt need a pH of 4.6, and 5.2, and catalase need a pH of 7. So if in the case of the any enzymes, for example, then we talk about the catalase. This catalase need a optimum pH of 7, and we give a pH of 4 or 5, then this amylase, this catalase will not work properly, and the rate of reaction will be decreased. Similarly, if pepsin is provided a pH of 4.5, then the rate of reaction of the pepsin will decrease automatically, and the product formation will be also decreased. So these are the factors. We can also conclude it also. So what is the pH and what is the temperature for the temperature? Temperature जो किसी एंजाइम का वो होता है जिसपे वो पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे एंजाइम अपना बेस्ट रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन शो करेगा. अगर एंजाइम को रिक्वायरमेंट है किसी टेम्परेचर की और अगर हम उसको कम टेम्परेचर देते हैं तो वो उतना वर्क नहीं कर पाएगा. और स्टडी के अकॉर्डिंग अगर एंजाइम की टेम्परेचर हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो उसकी रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन 50 to 100% बढ़ जाती है. लेकिन अगर इससे ज़्यादा अगर हम इंक्रीज करते हैं तो जो एंजाइम्स होते हैं वो डीनेचर हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि कई एंजाइम्स होते हैं जो 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से वो डीनेचर हो जाते हैं. तो एंजाइम्स को हाई टेम्परेचर चाहिए, लेकिन द टेम्परेचर मस्ट बी बिलो 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, जिससे एंजाइम डीनेचर नहीं होते हैं. और हर एक एंजाइम की एक पर्टिकुलर ऑप्टिमम टेम्परेचर होता है विच इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर देम. उसी तरीके से पीएच भी हर एंजाइम को एक पर्टिकुलर ऑप्टिमम पीएच रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. अगर हम उस पीएच से अबव देते हैं या कम देते हैं तो उस पर्टिकुलर पीएच पर एंजाइम काम करना कम कर देता है और उसकी जो एक्टिविटी होती है वो डिक्रीज हो जाती है. Now, in addition to temperature and pH, there are some other factors which are also essential for the activity of the enzymes, including ionic strength of the enzymes, which can affect the enzymatic reaction. Each of these physical and chemical parameters must be considered and optimized in order for an enzymatic activity. So, जब भी हम जैसे अगर लैब में हो या फिर इन विट्रो कंडीशंस में एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी अगर कंडक्ट करनी होती है तो हमें टेम्परेचर और पीएच की जो कंडीशंस होती है वो एंजाइम के अकॉर्डिंग सूटेबल रखनी होती है, क्योंकि पीएच और टेम्परेचर का इम्पोर्टेंट रोल होता है किसी भी एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी के लिए. सो our lecture is over here. In the upcoming video we will discuss another video tutorial. Thank you very much.